Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view on this device. First of all, select an app, like Play Store. Then click Home button and tap on this button with 3 lines. Over here you need to tap on the icon of an app and select Open in split screen view. After that, select the other app, for example Calendar, and as you can see, now I can use both of them at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards. And click Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!